Oh, God. My mug, yeah.
How much too cheap for Dunkin'? Elmer, we found how to get down there. You know, people take those big, you know what, you go over the bridge?
Yeah.
Well, when you turn, I'm sorry, where my motorcycle is, at Stewart's, when you take that, we'll say right, coming from my place, and you go up.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're super excited to take you along on our trip to Motorcyclepedia in Newburgh, New York. If you're a motorcycle enthusiast or just someone who enjoys a bit of history, you're in for a real treat. There's so much to see here, so let's drive right in.
Nice. Must be a popular one.
It's just a backrest, guys.
Right? Must be a good one.
It's just a handlebar.
He almost does it a couple times a year, so I've never. Holy.
Right?
Yeah.
More.
No, it's good. You did crooked, man.
Sorry.
This is the Indian. This is what was made. Every Indian, every year, ever.
Yeah.
You're on. I'm not good with this.
I'm not good with that. You're good with that.
Hey there, buddy. What do you want? It was like, here, just give you $5. You just go in.
I know, right? We're all good about it.
First up, we couldn't get enough of the incredible collection of vintage motorcycles. Look at this stunning line of classic Indians and Harleys. These beauties really take you back in time. There were so many models to admire, each with its own unique history. From the early 1900s to the iconic models of the 60s, they really encapsulate the spirit of the American motorcycle culture. Check out this Indian motorcycle. Isn't she a beauty? Just look at the craftsmanship and shine on the chrome. It's amazing to think about the stories these bikes can tell. They could talk. This is the motorcycle that was in the parade with Jerry Cut.
Oh, was it?
That's what it says. I believe it says. Now, onto my favorite sections. The motorcycles from movies and TV shows. This is where nostalgia hits hard.
It's on the Happy Days.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Jerry Garcia.
Happy Days bike.
Whose?
Happy Days bike.
Yeah, I see now. How about Jerry Garcia's one?
Yeah. Oh wow, here's the bike from Easy Rider. This iconic chopper became a symbol of counterculture during the 1960s.
I remember when they were riding this one.
The question is, what police department says? Yeah, exactly. I'm guessing this is a better shield.
Found a nice Italian girl.
They did on some of the old ones. The old ones, they ran them on a magneto. So we don't need a battery.
Oh, yeah.
They were on a magneto, so.
Yeah. He met her with the van.
Yeah.
He didn't christen the van with her?
You know, if I get there in my pocket, I'm thinking about it.
Yeah, I know, right?
Whether you're looking for something vintage or just a rare find, this place had it all. Elmer even picked up an Indian Larry t-shirt to add to his collection of motorcycle tees. Take a picture of each other, taking a picture. As we moved on, we stumbled upon a section dedicated to custom-made motorcycles. Just look at these incredible designs. Every bike here is a work of art. The creativity that goes into customizing these machines is mind-boggling. Some of these builders really push the boundaries of what a motorcycle can really look like.
Yeah. And then, I didn't know we was
One over there is cool too.
Which one?
The one next to it.
Oh, the yellow one?
Yeah. And where the table.
Really?
That bike? Right there.
Oh! Yeah. That's cool.
After exploring all those amazing bikes, we hit up the swap meet. There were tons of vendors there selling used parts, custom gear, and all kinds of motorcycle memorabilia.
That's so fucked up.
You're standing in between it.
That's weird, right?
Yeah.
Cut it right in half.
You want to find out what's wrong?
I don't know.
That's nice color. That's nice color. I like
Suzuki.
I wish I knew where the swap meet part is. There's all the silver. Yeah, that's what I see. There's a swap meet part. Honestly, I don't know.
Well, folks, that wraps up our incredible day at Motorcyclepedia. If you're ever in Newburgh, this spot is a must visit, especially if you're a motorcycle lover. We had a blast, learned a ton, and connected with fellow enthusiasts.
You have fun today?
I did.
That was a day?
A good time?
Good time with friends.
Yes. do that more often?
Yeah. With a little misadventure.
Yes.
Nah. You're gonna have to narrate again because nobody wants to hear me. They want to hear you.
Okay.
All right, until next time. There you go.
Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more adventures, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite motorcycle era. Until next time, keep the rubber side down.